Imagine being on a train, looking out the window, and instead of cityscapes or countryside, you're greeted by vast lunar plains and majestic craters. You're not in a dream, but possibly inside one of NASA's futuristic vehicles designed for our closest celestial neighbor. Welcome back to FutureGenix, where today we're venturing into an astronomical odyssey about how we might soon move around on the moon. The moon, Earth's enigmatic companion, a beacon in the night sky. While its mystique has always been a poetic muse, its rugged terrain presents intriguing challenges for scientists and engineers. Think about this. The temperature swings on the moon are wilder than the most unpredictable weather on Earth. We're talking about scorching sunlit highs and freezing dark lows. And let's not forget that tricky moon dust that clings to, well, everything. So how do we design a vehicle for such an extreme environment? Recall those vintage footages of Apollo astronauts. Today, NASA envisions lunar rovers that are leaps and bounds ahead, packed with cutting-edge tech. They're meant to be robust, versatile, and prepared for the moon's diverse landscape, from the smooth Maria regions to navigating the treacherous rims of giant craters. These are not your average vehicle. They're lunar marvels on wheels. But here's a curveball. Why restrict to just wheels when we can have tracks? Yes, you heard that right. Rails on the moon. While it might sound straight out of a sci-fi novel, NASA is earnestly toying with the concept. Imagine a rail system interconnecting moon bases, streamlining travel for astronauts, and facilitating cargo transport. The potential benefits are aplenty, but the challenges, they're monumental. Propelling these futuristic vehicles is another conundrum. The moon has about 14 Earth days of unbroken sunlight, followed by an equally long span of darkness. Solar power is an obvious choice, but relying solely on it is risky. NASA's thinkers are on the case, figuring out sustainable and reliable power solutions. After all, you wouldn't want your lunar car battery to die mid-journey. Prioritizing astronauts, these lunar vehicles have a strong emphasis on human comfort and safety. And they're versatile too. Picture a transport rover that can also serve as a makeshift shelter if a sudden moonstorm, metaphorically speaking, brews up. Safety, comfort, and adaptability are the triad underpinning these designs. All right, FutureGenix fam, let's pause our lunar journey here for a moment. How does a moon rail trip sound to you? A soothing glide over lunar plains, or perhaps a thrilling ride around craters? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're enjoying this cosmic ride so far, be sure to hit that like button and stay tuned for more. Your ticket for the next lunar leg awaits. As we delve deeper into the potential of lunar mobility, it's crucial to realize that this isn't a solo quest. NASA's lunar ambitions are part of a bigger tapestry of global space exploration efforts. The moon is increasingly viewed as a shared domain, a common frontier for humanity to explore, innovate, and collaborate. The international space community's motto, "The moon for all and all for the moon." Take a moment to think of international space collaborations. These are partnerships of epic proportions where global space agencies come together, pooling resources, expertise, and visions. Europe's ESA, Japan's JAXA, and Roscosmos from Russia, to name a few, have been in dialogue with NASA, contemplating joint missions and shared lunar infrastructure. Such alliances bolster our collective knowledge and enhance the success chances of our lunar endeavors. But wait, not just the giants in the game. Enter the dynamic world of private space enterprises, from startups with grit to tech behemoths with grand outer space dreams. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and many others are part of this lunar narrative. These firms aren't just suppliers. They're collaborators shaping lunar transport's future with their innovative solutions. Imagine a day when you could book a lunar rover ride much like you'd book a cab on Earth. Far-fetched, maybe today, but who knows what tomorrow holds as our technology progresses. So does our ambition. While rovers might rule the lunar surface, connecting lunar bases, habitats, and research centers. That's where the concept of Lunar Railways comes into play. Establishing a fixed route transportation system on the moon would drastically reduce the wear and tear on rovers, enabling them to last longer and perform more specialized tasks. Imagine sitting inside a lunar train, gazing out at the vast barren landscape dotted with Earthrise on the horizon. The experience would be, for a lack of a better term, otherworldly. But bringing such a vision to fruition isn't without its set of challenges. The moon's regolith, a fine powdery substance that covers its solid bedrock, could pose issues for tracks and rails. Moreover, the cost and logistics of transporting construction materials and equipment to the moon are monumental. But as history has shown us, where there's a will and a touch of cosmic ambition, there's a way. Speaking of challenges, another vital area of focus is the power source for these vehicles. With no atmosphere to speak of, the moon exposes its surface to unfiltered solar radiation, a potent energy source if harnessed correctly. Solar panels might be an excellent solution, but remember the lunar night lasts about 14 Earth days. That's a prolonged darkness that demands an efficient energy storage solution or an alternative power source altogether. Alright, before we venture further into NASA's lunar dreamscape, let's take a quick pit stop. We're curious, would you fancy a ride on a lunar train or prefer the rugged adventures aboard a rover? Leave us your lunar transport pic in the comments below. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button or ring the bell for more future-focused rides. Hang tight, adventurers. The best is yet to come. The universe is vast, and the challenges of interstellar movement demand our best innovations. Yet, sometimes the solutions and learnings lie closer to home, or, in this case, our celestial companion, the Moon. Having treaded lunar planes with wheels, envisioned rail system, and powered our ambitions with the Sun, what lies ahead is no less thrilling. The Moon, while an exploration target in itself, also serves as a proving ground for even more audacious endeavors. The Red Planet, Mars, and beyond. Let's draw a parallel. Lessons from lunar transportation could significantly shape how we approach mobility on Mars. Although the two celestial bodies have distinct environments, mastering transportation in one domain could offer invaluable insights for the other. Think about it. Successfully navigating the Moon's rugged terrain and prolonged darkness paves the way for tackling Mars's vast deserts and its unpredictable dust storms. But let's not just stop at Mars. Lunar transport technologies have implications that ripple across the cosmos. Imagine interplanetary transport systems, where established networks span across moons and planets, making the universe not just a place to explore, but also to commute. Beyond the physical transport lies the broader realm of quantum physics, suggesting that the marvels of the universe, like levitation or even teleportation, might be achievable. The challenges faced and overcome on the Moon could well be the stepping stones leading us into these vast scientific domains. On the socio-economic front, the innovations in lunar transport could revolutionize industries on Earth. The technologies developed could find applications back home, from eco-friendly transport solutions to entirely new ways of navigating our world. And with every leap in technology, new job opportunities emerge, strengthening economies and paving the way for a future where space tech becomes an everyday affair. Now, while our focus has been on the wonders of transportation, let's remember that movement isn't just about going from point A to B. It's about the journey, the discoveries along the way, the challenges met, and the horizons expanded. Hyundai's walking cars remind us that sometimes, to move forward, we need to reimagine the basics. Quantum levitation showcases the beauty and mystery of the universe, and NASA's lunar ambitions. They exemplify humanity's insatiable curiosity and drive. In conclusion, the story of lunar transport is not just one of science and technology. It's a testament to human spirit, resilience, and the quest for the unknown. The Moon, with its silent allure, beckons, and humanity, with its boundless dreams, respond. So, fellow space enthusiasts, what's your take on this future of lunar mobility? How would you envision our transport networks in space? Slide into the comments section, share your thoughts. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed our cosmic journey, and don't forget to subscribe to FutureGenix for more dives into tomorrow. Until next time, keep looking up and dreaming big.